Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're ready to do some reading today with me. We have been talking all week about different rules that we follow when we go places. Remember, we've had a little rhyme that we've said all week about Mary and her lamb? Why don't you say that rhyme with me? Ready? Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So, what rule did they break in that rhyme? What rule did Mary and the lamb break? Was the lamb supposed to go to school? No, they did not follow that rule. The lamb should have stayed home with Mary, should have it. Think about our story this week about how dinosaurs go to school. What rule do you think that they broke in that story? Should dinosaurs have went to school? No, an animal does not go to school. So dinosaurs or lambs or cats or dogs, none of the animals go to school because that's against the rules. Let's think back a minute to Mary Had a Little Lamb. It says the lamb's fleece was white as snow, and everywhere Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. So we have snow and we have go. We have two words that both end in the O sound. That means that they rhyme. If they end in the same sound, they rhyme. So I'm going to say two words, and if they rhyme, I'm going to raise my hand. If they don't rhyme, if they don't end in the same sound, I'm not going to do anything. Are you ready? Listen for the first set. Bag and pin. Bag and pin. Do they end in the same sound? One ends in the sound egg, and one ends in the sound in. Are those the same sound? No, so we don't raise our hand. Listen to this next one. Rule and tool. Rule and tool. Do those end in the same sound? They both end in the O sound, don't they? So raise your hand because those rhyme because they end in the same sound. Here's another set. Bus and bat. Bus and bat. Do those end in the same sound? One ends in us and one ends in at. So they do not rhyme. Now they both begin with the B sound, but that doesn't matter when it talks about rhyming. They have to end in the same sound. Here's another set. Lock and sock. Lock and sock. Do those end in the same sound? They both end in the ox sound, don't they? So go ahead and raise your hand because they both end in the same sound. Here's another one. Cap and fig. Cap and fig. One ends in ap and one ends in ig. Are those the same sound? No, so they do not rhyme. We do not raise our hand. Here's the last one. Dog and log. Dog and log. Do those end in the same sound? Yes, they both end in the og sound, so raise your hand. Okay, in the next video we're going to get ready to do some vocabulary.